Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kinpira Burdock, Kinpira Gobo. It is one of the most popular side dish and it's super easy to make. So let's get started. Ingredients for Kinpira Burdock root is two. One is burdock root, gobo, the other one is carrot. And you have only 4 steps. Step 1 is to peel these basil. Step 2 is to cut it in julienne cut. Step 3 is to pan fry with something like that. Then step 4, the last one, is to season. To peel the carrot, use peeler. This one. It's done. Burdock root, a different way. Use the other side of the knife. It goes like this. Looks great, isn't it? Yeah, it's done. So we go on to step 2. I recommend you to cut the burdock root first because it's easy to get brown. I don't know how to say it in English, but we do like this. It's called sasagaki. You know, like sharpen your pencil with knife or something. Yeah. Now we're going to carrot stuff, vertical cut, vertical. Oh, it's easy. So now the basil is ready. Let's go on to step 3. I recommend you to use sesame oil. First thing you stir fry is burdock root. Why don't we go on to the last step, the fourth step? You know, this is extra. I put these peppers because I like it hot. If you don't like it hot, you can skip it. Season is sake, 1 tablespoon, remaining 1 tablespoon. And soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Looks great, isn't it? It looks nice, isn't it? That is great. Some shichimi togarashi 7 taste paper on that if you have it. It looks great. Looks great, isn't it? Yeah, here you are. This is Kinpira Burdock, Kinpira Gobo. Thanks for watching. So Kinpira Burdock, Kinpira Gobo is super easy to make. So why don't you try? You know, if you like this video, please put the subscribe button and thumbs up button and leave some message down below. Thank you. See you soon. Bye. ありがとう。